Hello, my name is Kristeen Shabram, and I'm a middle school teacher in Omaha, Nebraska. In this poster session, I'm going to share with you some tutorials that you can use to help your students create mobile apps using Code.org's App Lab. App Lab is an excellent programming environment for beginner mobile app development. It allows students to design their own app, code it in JavaScript using blocks or text, and then share it immediately with friends and family. I have used App Lab for 2 years, and in that time, I've created several tutorials on how to create different kinds of apps in App Lab. These tutorials have helped my students understand the design of an app as well as the code behind the design. Today in this poster session, I want to share these tutorials with you to use in your own classroom. The tutorials can be found at the website below. I hope you enjoy using App Lab and the App Lab tutorials that I've created. Please email me if you have any questions. App Lab is so easy to use, and I guarantee it won't take long before your students are creating their own apps all by themselves.